Hi, you may have seen a pretty cool video that some guys came up with the other day on YouTube, where they watch what happens when the stopwatch runs for 999 hours. Well, I couldn't resist. I'll show you how to save yourself 1000 hours and find out immediately with iFuntastic. If you play around with the stopwatch a little bit, you realize that when you exit this clock application and go back in, it resumes. That would indicate that it has to store that number somewhere on the phone in a file and in a property list in all likelihood. So we stop the phone at some fairly crooked number, 27.6, and we make a note of that and exit the application to make sure that file actually gets written. Then we go to the iFundex feature in iFuntastic and update all the text files from the phone. Now this will take a while, so we take a break. It's been about 5 minutes and we're halfway through updating 1025 text files. 12 minutes later, the index has been updated. By the way, I re-recorded this clip because I mucked up the first one. So let's switch to the deep index and look for our 27.6. And we find it twice, as expected, in the preferences file for the clock application. Last time 27.6 and offset 27.6. So let's click on the link and have a look at it in the file manager. There you go. So let's make a change just to see what happens. Let's change that to 127.6 and 127.6. Save it to the phone. Let's have a look at our clock. What do you know? It's 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Alright, now let's figure out what 999 hours are. Let's go back here. 3599, 940. Well, let's put that in. 3599, 940. And let's copy it down here. Actually, let's copy this whole thing down here. And save that to the phone. And take a look. 999 hours and 59 minutes. Excellent. So let's put this number into the clipboard. Alright, let's save this file as a file set and call it Stopwatch. Then we switch to the theme park and add the stopwatch to a new theme. Here's the file. We go to the XML editor. Look for the last time right here. Click on the new value and paste in our 999 hours. And we don't really need to restore it to anything. Let's make it restore to 0. that was the last time. And also we have the offset down here. Put in 0 for restore and 999 hours and 59 minutes for the installation. Then we click on OK. Save this as a theme. Stopwatch. And build a package. Then we switch to Son of iFuntastic. Find our stopwatch theme and drag it over. Install it on the phone. Alright, now let's have a look at the Son of iFuntastic. Theme park, there's Stopwatch. Let's select it and install. Clock. 9.99 and 59 minutes. Start. And there it goes. Now stop and reset. Let's just make sure that this is for real. Install the theme again. Take a look at the clock and hey. So I leave it up to you to figure out what happens for 10,000 hours. And in the meantime, I can proudly say we saved 1,000 hours using iFuntastic. To do what I just did, you need the king level features in iFuntastic. But by whatever means you choose to use, the file is in var mobile library preferences com.apple.mobiletimer.plist. And the fields you want to change are the last time and the offset. And that's that.